So I just want to make this quick kind of like a tutorial for Open Up the Heavens. So the strumming pattern for acoustic guitar, this is in the key of B, capo 4 G shapes. It's easier to play this way. So 1, down, down, down. So I'm not going to try doing down, up, but like. So think of it more rhythmically, because that snare part is right. So yeah. What I'm doing is so it's a G note, right? Because it's open G. Well, not a G note, but it would be actually a B note. But so like if I'm playing a D here. So we've waited for this day. So intro 1, 2, 3, da-da-da. So basically, other than that rhythm, excuse me. So really it's that rhythm. But I want to just encourage you that when you play that G, so in that shape, right? So you have your major scale. Anyway, so you have that. If I'm here, I can easily go to this D, right? That means that in that key, all of these notes work. So if I hammer on, right, I can do that. If I take that off, it's a D suspended, right? Put it there. So basically, it just adds some color to the chord. And so when you're playing these rhythmic stuff, if you can hammer on and off, you know, it makes it a little bit more tasteful. Oh. One thing I do is here, so this is a G note, right? Well, B note, but so I'll often pull off, like doing a D, but I have this here and I put my pointer finger there. So if I'm here, basically it's just all about getting those fingers, like, you know, your things clean. That's clean. Show us your glory. Show us. So I'm building dynamics, right? Show us your glory, Lord. Show us your glory. Show us your glory, Lord. You know what I'm saying?